Hello and welcome, you guys. There we are again in my man cave. Today, we're gonna unpack another great helmet, which I'm gonna take for a ride tomorrow on this nice little scrambler of mine. So, get ready, guys. This is it. All right, so we have another beautiful shot helmet. Okay, let's take a look at the side. Oh, nice. It says Chase red, white, and I have very beautiful accompanying red goggles. Oh, nice. So, guys, let's open it up. Let's unpack. And tomorrow morning, I'm gonna take the helmet for a spin. Okay, nice. Okay, guys, another great helmet in front of me. I can already tell it's got a double D locking mechanism, tightening mechanism. All right, shot, looking great. Let's take that plastic off. Oh yeah, nice, guys. This looks excellent. Shot Racegear, and you can check. Here's the details: 1.4 kilograms in L size, and it says ECE 2205. Okay, so let's check it out. Let me put it on, and tomorrow I promise to take you guys for a cool spin. All right, let's get these plastics out. And let me put it on now. Okay, let's get the goggles out. Ooh, nice. It will fit perfectly. Excellent. Let me put them on. Looking extremely cool, guys. All right, see you tomorrow.